Hi guys, it's Iman from Iman's channel, and today I will be teaching you how to make a paper aeroplane step by step easy. Please like and subscribe this video and turn on the notification bell for more updates and videos. Thank you. So let's begin. Right, so first to make the paper aeroplane, fold your paper in half the long way, the rectangle way. Like that. Then open your paper aeroplane. Oh, that made a long way. And get the corner from the top and fold it to the line that we just made equally, not crossing it. Then do the other side the exact same, folding it and not crossing it. Then, once you've done that, fold it in half so it will be like, fold it the other way, the opposite ways, like that. So it's each got its own side, like, so it will be now looking like this and that. Right. So then get this side and fold it so it will be shorter, like and then fold it one more time. So it'll be like that and that. Then go to the other side and fold it. And then fold it again. Like that, and that is your paper aeroplane done. So that's how you do a paper aeroplane. Right, so now I will be decorating my paper aeroplane with a few of my favourite colours. My favourite colours are the start of the rainbows, the 4 colours at the start of the rainbow, which is red, orange, yellow, green. I love those colours. Right, so you can fold it in half, nothing will happen to it. And you can write your name, do something like that. I might just do a love heart, a red love heart. Like that. And shade it in. Well, not shade it in, colour it in, darker colour and pencil right now. Console tip. Now, then you can do, I don't know, yellow sun. As you can tell, I'm not the best drawer. Then an orange. What can be orange? Comment down below. What do you think will be orange? Should I do an orange butterfly? Is there anything on my desk that's orange? I mean, I know this colour and felt tip's orange, but I can't find anything else. Maybe I'll just draw an orange butterfly. This is how I draw them. So I do like a circular thing like that, colouring, and then go like that, and then So that's how I do butterflies. And then I do like and that. And I do, okay, that was bad. And I'm gonna colour it in orange. But I'll tell you my ultimate favourite colour. I think my ultimate favourite colour is gonna be green or yellow. I like green or yellow. Unless my green grass, green. Wait, shall I just do grass? Maybe I might, cause like nature. I could go with that. I'm gonna go like that, and I'm gonna do some tufts. Here we go. So, and then on this side you can do the exact same. So I'm gonna just do that. Oh, drop that. Oh, very messy this little art is. What did I do? I did a yellow sun. Orange butterfly. I hope you want to get that one. And tufts of green grass. Perfect. And I think we're all done now. Let me go close the lids. Pop them back in my pencil case. And there we go. This is the finishing model of my airplane. Comment down below if you liked it. And that's the end of my video. Bye.